Just a quick video today to answer a question that we get asked a lot, either via email or on the phone, and that is, how do you or can you fit 4B&S cable into a 50 amp Anderson plug? Now the simple answer is by using a genuine Anderson Power Products Anderson plug. You can tell it's an Anderson plug because it has it written on the grey part at the very top there. It's a little bit hard to see there, but it says Anderson Power Products. I'm going to demonstrate how we do that, how we get 4B&S into this Anderson plug today without trimming any copper. Firstly, I'll show you that we also use Ticab, Australian made, genuine 4B&S cable. So here's the end of that roll. Now I'm going to take my cable cutters, I'm going to strip that cable, careful not to get rid of any of the strands of copper. Do that so you can see it. Pulling that outer insulation off. Nice clean strip there. No copper left over in the bit taken off. Now this is the genuine pins that come with the genuine plug, and their diameter is much larger than some of the cheap aftermarket ones. So we're lining up all those copper strands inside the flange at the back. Now it is a tight fit, but as you'll see as I push these in, using my fingers to keep them aligned, you can see that I've got every single strand of copper inside the terminal there. So there's our 4B&S cable inserted into the lug. Now we would go about crimping and soldering that terminal onto place to complete our kit. Hopefully that demonstrates how 4B&S cable fits into a genuine 50 amp Anderson plug. Now, if that was the end of the video today, likely next questions would be, why do you use such high current cable into just a 50 amp rated plug? Well, the main reason is that most caravan companies are giving vans to customers or camper trailers with a 50 amp plug. And so our kits are designed to match up with those systems. Now, the reason we run such a big cable is not because we want to run more than 50 amps through the plug, or even 50 amps. Sometimes we're looking to run a 40 amp charger in the van. But the reason we use such big cable is to alleviate voltage drop over the length of such a long run. Now, if we picture a car's Anderson kit, 7 meters, and that's about what it takes to get from the engine bay battery, wind your way down the chassis rail, cross to the trailer plug, mount it there. That's the length that we need in like a dual cab vehicle in Australia. So then that plugs into the caravan. Now that lead could be another 7 meters, it could be 10 meters, it could be longer, because the batteries, the charger perhaps are under the bed at the back of the van. So we've got to run all that distance as well. So we could be talking, a 15, 20 meter run over that long distance. Without upgrading the cable size, we're going to get voltage drop, and that's what we don't want. Most electrical issues caused in caravanning is because someone's run too small a cable. So we use 4B&S cable to reduce the voltage drop over these long runs when we're running 30, 40 amp chargers in the back of a caravan. So hopefully that answers the question that we can get 4B&S cable into a genuine Anderson plug, and also why we do it.